try this again. So I've taken the planter and drilled a gazillion holes in the lower portion of the sides and the bottom, and taken some screen that I had here, and I have covered the outside of the planter so as to prevent as much as possible dirt and other foreign objects from getting as much as possible to the inside. I'm sure some stuff is going to find its way in there, but at least this way it'll prolong its life. The sump pump, So now the instructions said that this can, whatever the housing is that you put your sump pump down into, had to be at least 16 inches long, and I got a goodly amount over a cubit, so it's probably more like 20 inches deep. So we got that covered, and there's plenty of room for the float to go up and down. Once I get it over there and get the hole ready to accept this planter, I'll put some other little screws around the edges of this floppy material on the top, just for good measure. Keep as much as possible from going down from the top in there. So, still the 3rd of June. I'm still working on the sump pump installation. Of course, like everything else, it's harder than what it originally seems, but this is such a nasty job. I certainly don't want to be doing it again in a couple of years. So nobody else wants to do it either, believe me. Okay, so Susie ought to be home pretty soon. And at that point, I'll go over there and finish digging that hole, hopefully. Unless I don't think I'll run into any more issues. Oh look, there's Spokane Produce coming by. Making a delivery to Walter's. Okay. So, see, they got another crew over there to finish the siding on the church building. You just never know, do you? Proverbs 27, verse 1. Boast not thyself of tomorrow, for thou knowest not what a day may bring forth. Case in point, right over there. Case in point. Okay, enough of my rambling. We'll carry on with the day.